Hello, welcome to another episode. Today we're looking at three interesting startups. I mean, that's the usual, right? Three startups per episode. So let's go straight into it. Alright, so first off, we have Nokofio. Nokofio.me. Nokofio. Empowering you with a link for donations and crowdfunding. Oh, interesting. Crowdfunding. Interesting. A free customizable link in bio tool for NGOs and influencers. Oh, okay. Kind of reminds me of, just from the concept, kind of reminds me of coffee and what are those platforms? Buy me coffee, right? Yeah, I think buy me a coffee. Yeah. There's another one called Coffee, but that one is KOFI or KOFII. It's not coffee, unfortunately. But yeah, Nokofio. Search users. Okay, bills for organizations. Okay, why are the pictures not loading? Reload. Bills for musicians. Bills for artists. Oh, okay, so I mean, okay, so these are the people it's bills for. That's fine. Receive payment instantly, get insights. Nokofio for the mandem. So what I want to figure out is, let's see. Okay, Anna Franks. Can I check out Anna Frank or Anna Francis? Fundraiser, help raise funds. Links, FLs, Nyani painting projects, fundraising for church paint. Okay, so choose amounts. So you can choose the amounts you want to contribute. Choose your network number. Okay, that's okay. So let's. This one had a picture, right? Look, a few bundles. Interesting. Why are all the pictures not loading? Load image. Open image in new tab. Let's see. Okay, so I guess it's a bucket policy, right? Maybe they've not configured the bucket policy properly. S3, yeah, Amazon, yeah. Maybe they've not configured it properly. Maybe. That's my best guess. Oh, no such buckets. Where? Nokofio container, images, profile pictures, and then that, right? So let's check this one. Open image in new tab. Why am I debugging? Like it has become so part of me that I'm here trying to debug something that's not even mine. So since we had this here, let's see, links 1 2 3 4 5. Check BC, WASI results, Gecko deals, Byte SL. Okay, so let's check the MTN. Select bundle 485134. Okay, so yeah, I guess the payment does work. Okay, so it looks like the links here do link to other people's actual pages where you can actually go and make contributions to them. For some reason, the pictures are not showing. Alright, now we have AgriLync, transforming African agriculture through AI and finance. Okay. African agriculture through AI and finance. Okay, so how exactly is it doing that? Discover features. AI crop and human consultation. Get personalized crop care and tree in English using AI powered. Okay, so we can consult the system. Hyper local weather forecast. So it gives you weather forecast for your specific location. Financing platform. Input loans and farm expansion financing. Oh, okay. So why is there a V1 and so I guess these ones are not yet ready, but these ones are ready and these ones are in the version 1. Farm partner initiative, find investors for the farm, e-commerce marketplace. Okay, so it looks like they are providing a platform. So I guess it's not yet ready, but they are going to be providing, join with this. They are going to be providing a platform where farmers can consult an AI system about their crops to get more details about how to better take care of them and stuff like that. Get weather forecast for their very specific location. I wonder how that's going to work. Financing platform, so they could get the farmers can get loans and stuff like that, financing for their farms, right? Expanding the farm, buying seeds and stuff like that. farm partner initiative, they can find investors on the platform, and then e-commerce marketplace, they can sell their farm produce, right, whatever they harvest from the farm. Okay, it looks like it seems like a very good idea, right? Since we don't have the actual platform to test out, it seems like a good idea. I guess we'll have to wait for the platform to be launched, to be released, before we can actually learn more about how exactly it's going to work, right? In concept, in theory, it seems like a good idea. For farmers, access AI, local weather forecast. Okay, entrepreneurs, launch a skill agribusiness. Buyers, okay, buy products from farmers directly. Change agents, drive agricultural innovation, potential investors, fund specific farm projects. Yeah, okay. So again, the other WhatsApp groups, I guess the WhatsApp group is to stay updated with whatever it is that they are working on at the moment, right? They can also join their wait list. Okay, that seems really cool. AgriLync, they've not yet launched, they are in the waitlist stage, so you can join the waitlist if this is something you're interested in finding out more about, right? AgriLync seems cool. Next up is Wonfliki. Okay, so this also has to do with farming, improving farm productivity sustainably with technology. Discover your farm's winning formula. Boost yields, slash cost, save. Okay, so what exactly do you do? Land mapping. So wait, they provide drones, right? Land mapping, real-time detection, and spraying. Okay, so they provide drones for use on your farms, right? And you can use it to map out your land, detect plant diseases, and check the plant health using the drone, and then also spraying of fertilizer, weedicide, and all sprayable plant deliverables. So can you also use it to water the plants? Bridging farm data gaps. Okay, boost crop yield. We exist to help. Okay, talk to us. Yeah, our latest news. Okay, so it looks like they have a blog as well. Cool. Land mapping. Okay, so let's check each thing out. Land mapping, crop monitoring, real-time detection, and crop spraying. Services, yeah, okay. So land mapping, yeah, request a quote. Oh, okay, so they don't just give you the drone, they actually, you get them to come to your farm, and then they use their drones to map the land and give you the data, right? Let's check out the crop monitoring. Yeah, detecting diseases, stuff like that, right? I like their drones too. I wonder if they build them themselves or if they buy them and just use. If they build them themselves, that would be really impressive. But I don't see anything about them building it themselves, right? So probably they just purchase them. Empower your farming with real-time detection. Yeah, okay, so this would work more with the, I would say, commercial entities, because regular farmers wouldn't really need all these things, right? So I think it would work best with like the big farms, the commercial farming entities and stuff like that. Maybe even if they would reach out to like Ministry of Food and Agriculture and try to have some sort of partnership with them, stuff like that, right? Because they are the people who, well, they are one of the entities in Ghana who handle these sorts of things, right? The farming and food and agriculture, right? Okay, crop spray. Okay, so this one specifically, I think might reach a wider audience because everyone sprays their crop, right? Not everyone is interested in land mapping, or well, some people might be interested in crop monitoring, but they could just go and check the crops themselves, walk through the fields and stuff like that, right? Real-time detection too, same thing, they could just walk through the fields. So I think the key aspect that that might reach a lot of people would be the crop spraying, precision crop spraying. Yeah, I wonder how many the amount of area that the one drone can spray contact. So you can actually contact them, their internal community folders, their email, this address, their phone number, right? I think this would work best for people who really want to know every single detail about their farm. For regular farmers who just want to plant their crops and get their yield, I don't see it helping them that much aside from the crop spraying aspect, right? Yeah, so that's Wonfliki. Wonfliki. I wish there was a way to they had some sort of like a, I don't know, some write-up or something about how to pronounce their name, right? Because I'm here butchering the name. I have no idea if I'm actually giving the right name or not, if I'm pronouncing it properly or not. Receives ABSA MasterCard Foundation grant of 250. Okay, wow, interesting. So yeah, it looks like they are making waves in the scene, right? They're actually making waves in the scene. I don't see it as a product that is for every single farmer. I see it as a product for a specific group of farmers, right? So yeah, that's cool. That's really cool. Interesting. Okay, so that's Wonfliki. Cool. Okay. Alright, so that wraps up today's entry or today's episode. We are also going to be putting them on each of the startups we've spoken about on the FundWeave startup directory. So for those of you who don't know, we have a startup directory now. That's what it looks like, where we feature startups in Ghana, right? So this is the exploration page. Explore, you have a little globe here, you can traverse, and then we have the actual directory that lists every single startup. You can filter by letter. Let's try A. So all the startups that start with A, clear filter. You can also type a name here, view, right, like that. So that's how it works. Very simple, very straightforward. It's just a way to help showcase the startups that we have, the innovation we have, and what each of them are working on, right? So yeah, you can get all the details here. So we are also going to be featuring all these startups from now onward that we feature in these videos on the platform. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you in the next one.